Hey guys, welcome to Techtorial. We are back with another video about Canva, but this time we'll be giving you some tips and tricks that could be really useful when creating your own Canva design. Let's get started, shall we? If you use Canva to create social media posts such as for your Instagram feed, you came to the right place because we do it too, and don't worry, we'll share you our secrets. Through Canva, you can create puzzle Instagram feeds where multiple posts are connected to one another. First, start by creating a design and customizing its size according to how many posts you want connected. For this tutorial, we'll be using 9 posts, so the dimensions for both the width and height will be 3,240 pixels each. Next, go to File and select Show Rulers and Show Guides, or you can use the following shortcuts. Using the ruler as your reference, drag from the left and top part of your design to create your guides and divide it into 9 equal sections. If you want to remove a guide, you can just drag it out of the frame of your design. To ensure that the guides are in the correct places, you can zoom in on your design by clicking on the percentages at the bottom right or pressing the command button on your keyboard and scrolling from your mouse or trackpad. Once you have added all the necessary guides, you can zoom in again to each section and edit it accordingly as a post. Here, you can add elements in the middle of the guides to get a more seamless and connected look in your Instagram feed. When you're done with your design, you can download them and use apps to help you crop and separate your giant posts into pieces so that it'll be easier to post them later. You can also use guides and rulers to create Instagram carousels that are seamless and flow well as you swipe. Just make sure that you've already inputted the right sizes when creating your design and place the guides correctly. Have you ever had elements in your Canva design that are not aligned properly but you're too lazy to align them one by one? Well, this simple Canva hack will save you all the time and effort needed. If you have a lot of repeating elements used as bullet points like this, you can select them all and click Position at the top right and select Tidy Up. This way, Canva will do the magic for you automatically and you can now say goodbye to the dreadful task of aligning elements one by one. You can also select other options from the Position button to move your elements to the front or back, to align them to the top, middle, bottom, left, center, or right of the page, and space them vertically or horizontally in an even way. Another way that can help you align elements in your Canva is to use guides and adjust them like so. Trying to find the perfect color scheme for your brand can be really difficult to do directly from scratch. Canva recognizes this problem and is here to provide the solution. By going to this site, we can see the multiple resources and color tools that Canva provides, such as the color palette generator, a list of color combinations, a color wheel, and the meanings of different colors. The color palette generator lets you upload an image of your choice and essentially finds the colors in the image to create a custom color combination that matches it. The Try Demo image lets you see the various images and its color palettes, including the names of the colors and its hexadecimals. To use your own photo, click the Upload an Image button and choose the image you want from your device. Canva will then automatically generate your color palette in seconds, and you can now simply copy it to use them for your own designs. Instead of matching colors from an image, you can also utilize Canva's other tool to find thousands of color palettes that you can use. The search bar here lets you filter through the list easier by searching for specific colors, themes, keywords, and many more. Or you could also just scroll and browse through the color combinations that are already shown and use the navigation tool at the bottom to go to the next page. When you click on the color combination that you like, it will direct you to a new page where you can see an image with the color palette, the names of the colors, and its hexadecimal. Just like the color palette generator, you can copy the colors and use them for your own designs. If you continue to scroll down this page, Canva also shows similar color combinations that you can refer to. With Canva's color wheel, it allows you to create custom aesthetic color palettes that are backed up by color theory. So, you can rest assured that these generated color combinations will definitely look good together. To do so, pick a color from the color wheel or insert a hexadecimal of the color of your choice in the box provided. From this drop-down menu, you can select what type of color combination that you want, so either complementary colors, monochromatic colors, analogous colors, triadic colors, or tetradic colors. You can also edit the colors that are automatically generated by clicking on it and changing its hue, saturation, and luminance. Typing a hexadecimal in the box here will end up changing the color accordingly. Once you're satisfied with your color combination, you can click Create a Graphic and Canva will direct you to a page filled with templates using that color palette. Or if you want to save your color combination, click Export Palette and PDF, which lets you save it in the form of a PDF. Lastly, you can also learn about the meanings of different colors in Canva. You can then apply that knowledge when finding colors and color palettes that fit the image of your brand. The search bar lets you find specific colors, and when you click on one, it'll direct you to a page where you can learn more about it as you scroll. Here, you can find color combinations for that color with different types like monochromatic colors, analogous colors, complementary colors, and triadic colors. To find the meaning of a different color, simply click this and select the color from the list shown. We all know that we can use Canva to create various digital designs, but did you know that you can even make a simple website or bio links like those in Linktree? Yep, you heard us right. So now you can customize how your website looks like through Canva, just like how you would create a poster. You could use the templates they have or create your own design, and to make them more interactive, you can add links to the different elements or text. To do so, select the element that you want to link and press the three dot button icon and choose the link icon. Then, paste your link here so that when people click on that element, they'll be redirected to that link and can learn more about you. When you're done with your design, click Publish as a website, and from the drop-down menu, you can choose the website style you want, which is either presentation, scrolling, classic navigation, or standard. Afterwards, select the Open Website button and it will direct you to your finished website. Unfortunately, you cannot change the domain name. However, you can always just use URL shorteners like bit.ly, making it easier for you to share your link with others. Other than websites, you can also add links to your design, and when you save it as a PDF, people can click on the element and it will redirect them to that URL link that you've previously inserted. Thanks for watching! We hope you learned something new about Canva that you haven't heard prior to watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and of course, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload. See you next time!